Okay, so now we are going to take a closer look at string formatting. Okay, all right. So we use the fstring, that is the formatted strings, okay, as it allows us to insert variables inside a string easily. Okay, all right. So it is important to note that you have to put the f before the strings. Okay, and why do we use f strings? It is easy to read and format text. Also, it is faster than all formatting methods, and also it works with variables, expression, and function calls. Okay, all right. So let's go to the other side and codify it. Now, what I want us to look at is what is called formatted strings. Okay, we said the f strings, aka the formatted string, allow inserting variable inside a string easily. Let's go ahead and see this in action. So now I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna create a variable and I'm gonna input my name. As you know, I love my name, so Ibrahima. And now I can come down here. I'm going to input my age. I'm gonna say Tori. So now I'm gonna come down here, and what I want to do is I want to print, let's say print bracket open bracket close. Now I'm gonna put this inside of strings, and I'm gonna say, let's say my name is name. Okay, for now it doesn't make sense. Let's go ahead and look at it. And let's say I am 8 years old, right? It does not make sense, right? You can see my name is name and I am 8 years old. But what I want is I want my name is, and now this to be replaced with my name Ibrahima, and I am age and my age to be replaced here. So this is gonna be like my name is Ibrahima and I am 30 years old. Okay, let me put a dot here. All right. So how can I do that? This is where the f string comes into play. Okay, so now I can come here and now put an f string. Okay, and the next thing that I want to do is I need to make a curly braces. This name here, okay, curly braces, because what I want to tell Python is I'm telling Python to try to access the variable. Okay, so now I'm gonna come here. Now I have to close that. Okay, so now if I load this, now it's starting to make sense. My name is Ibrahim and I am 8 years old. So now it's age now. So we're gonna come here also and do the same thing. I'm gonna put a curly brace here and I'm gonna put another one here. So it has to be curly braces. Okay, and if I load this now, it makes sense now. My name is Ibrahim and I am 30 years old. For instance, if this is not curly braces, then we cannot have that. Let's say if this is a square bracket here and another square bracket, so it's going to output the same thing here. My name is Ibrahim and I am UC is the same thing that it outputted. So it has to be the curly braces. So this is important to note. So let me come here and close that. Okay, you can see. Let's go ahead and let's do one more example on this. Let's say we have two numbers. Let's say num1 is equal to, let's say 10, and the other number, let's say num2 is equal to, let's say 5. Okay, now I'm gonna come here. Now what I want to do is I want to say the sum of 10 and 5 is 15. So now I'm gonna say print, for instance, bracket open bracket close. Now let me go ahead, put in my strings, and now what I want to do is, let's say the sum of, let's say num1 and num2, okay, is, let's say num1 plus num2. If I load this, we can see it does not make sense yet. So now we want to access the variables inside the string. So what do? We come here, put our f, and now it's time to apply curly braces now. So now I'm gonna come here, put one, come here and close it. So now it's starting to make sense. You can see the sum of 10. Okay, so now I'm gonna come here again, put this in curly braces, okay, and take a closer look at it. The sum of 10 and 5 is now should be 15, right? So I can come down here, put another curly brace, and here put another one. And now if I load it now, you can see the sum of 10 and 5 is 15. Okay, like we say, we use the f string to allow us to insert variables inside a string easily. So this is super important to note. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at the old ways, okay, in which the string formatting is done. There are different ways, okay. For us, we learned this is the new way, but also now I'm going to paste the old ways and you're gonna see it out here. And in case you see something like that, just know it's the same thing, okay. As you can see, the output is the same. So I need to create a space here. Yes, just to ensure that this start yes has a space, and you can see. So just familiarize yourself with this. You don't need to know it, but just know if you see this, okay, just know it's the old way of old formatting. Sometimes they say old is gold. However, for me, I use more the new way. So that's that. So it's important for you to note, okay, and see you on the other side.